1.7.1 75 years of the historic first sitting of the Constituent Assembly. So, the first Constituent Assembly meeting was held on December 9th, 1946. So, it has completed 75 years. So, here, Cabinet Mission Plan aims to discuss the transfer of power from the British to Indian leadership. Okay, so this mission consists of three members. First is Frederick Pethick Lawrence. He is actually the Secretary of the State for India. And the next one is the Sir Stafford Cripps. He is the President of the Board of Trade. And next is A.V. Alexander. He is the First Lord of Admiralty. Okay, so these members are the members of this cabinet mission. So there are three. Okay, so now this cabinet assembly was recognized under section 8 of Indian Independence Act 1947. So as per the recommendations of the cabinet mission, 292 members are elected through provincial legislatures, 93 members are from princely states, and 4 members are from Chief Commissioner's provisions. Okay, province. So next is the total, which consists of 389 members. Okay, they are from provincial legislative assemblies, princely states, and also Chief Commissioner's province. So, but on this 3rd June 1947, when Mountbatten Plan was announced about the partition, some members of this Constituent Assembly came out. So after a few members withdrew, the cabinet mission, this Constituent Assembly was left with 299 members. So the first sitting of this Constituent Assembly was presided by Dr. Sachidananda Sinha following the French practice. So, like appointing the oldest member of the committee as the president. Okay, so as he is the oldest person, Sachidananda Sinha was presided over the first meeting following the French practice. So it took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to draft Constitution of India.